All right, part 2 of the African animals. I can run,
That's a potato.
swim, and climb. Yes, leopard. Good job. I eat dead animals.
That's an eagle tail.
A what?
That's an eagle tail.
Eagle, it's a vulture, but close enough. I can close my nostrils and ears.
Ew.
What?
It's poop.
That's not poop. That's called a hippo.
No, that's why hippo.
Yep, hippo. Good job. Look at that. I am a lion. I am a giraffe. I am a zebra. I am an elephant. We are African animals. Good job. Close your mouth when you cough. I am a rhino. I am a vulture.
Rhino.
Yep. I am a leopard.
What's
I am a
Eagle.
hippo. A vulture. It eats dead animals.
Oh, sure.
Yep.
That's
I am a
eagle.
hippopotamus. We live on African plains.
Ew.
Listen to this. Plains
Buffalo.
are open, flat spaces with lots of grass or grass-like vegetation. That's it. The end. What are these animals?
Zebra or buffalo?
Zebras, buffaloes. Good job.
I shoot.
Say bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.